Kung malakas ang gastos na naman.
Medyo ba?
Baka maayos mo yung tsura ko.
Okay, mag-alala. Dadali namin kayo na.
Saya!
Pagdating sa counter, mas mababa pa.
Kasi mga penguins umaahon sa dagat.
Ay, may hawak na kahon.
Yes. What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are here in Melbourne, Australia.
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go!
Good morning.
So, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Kasi ang pick up dun sa Windsor is 10:30. So, sobrang aga pa. At dito may si Chab Eka.
So guys, FYI lang din, may numbers din yung tram. So we're waiting for 96. And dito sa tram stop na to, dumadaan dalawa, 86 and 96. So make sure you ride the correct tram. Tsaka for a more accurate schedule, our friends taught us to use this PT na app. So nilagay na namin yung pupuntahan namin kasi dyan. So ito yung app na ginagamit nila dito. And it includes yung fare. Syempre walang fare kasi nga nasa free tram zone tayo. Pero nandyan din kung anong ticket yung kailangan, kung pwede ba yung Mikey card, the time, pati yung walk nyo. So, ayan. Would be useful to download this app when you're in Melbourne.
Wait mga chubibis, we need to interrupt this vlog for a quick kwento.
You know how when you travel, you expect things to go smoothly until they don't? So here's a quick story time.
We were in the middle of a super important meeting while traveling when suddenly the MacBook decided to pull a dramatic exit.
Battery, zero. Laptop, dead. Meeting, still alive. Akala namin katapusan na. But
The ChukTech CP25 saved us.
this is a 20,000 milliampere hour fast charging portable power bank designed not just for your phone, but even for your laptop.
Yes, mga chubibis, pati laptop kaya i-charge ni ChukTech CP25.
The ChukTech CP25 supports up to 55 watts fast charging.
Which means, kaya niyang buhayan ang laptop mong iniwan ka sa ere.
Mas mabilis pa mag-charge ang laptop kesa dumating ang kape ko.
Multiple devices? No problem!
We travel with so many gadgets, so having a power bank that can charge everything at once is a lifesaver. The ChukTech CP25 really keeps us going.
So, just how powerful is 20,000 milliampere hour? In short, 20,000 milliampere hour means you can fully charge your smartphones 3 to 4 times. Or buhayin ang nanlamig mo na laptop para makapag-edit ng vlog or binge-watch a whole K-drama series during a flight.
The ChukTech CP25 is airplane safe, so pwede talaga siya for travel. It's basically travel insurance for your gadgets.
But what's more amazing is the price.
The ChukTech CP25 costs half the price of other high-performance power bank. That's 70% more affordable, mga chubibis.
So, premium charging speed, premium quality, at premium price pa. Talagang pasok, tsaba nga! Ding, 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 ding. Pero, compatible ba siya sa mga gadgets?
Yes!
Phones?
Yes.
Cameras?
Yes.
Laptops?
Yes na yes.
Headphones?
Yes.
Smartwatch?
Yes. Basically, if we need it for work or travel, the TrueTech CP25 can charge it. It's also portable, not heavy, not bulky, so we can bring it everywhere. Travel, airport, kahit saan.
And it comes in different colors. Aesthetic!
So, if you're looking for a powerful, fast, and affordable power bank na kaya buhayin lahat ng gadgets nyo, whether you're a traveler, content creator, o isa ka lang talaga na maraming gadgets, the TrueTech CP25 is for you.
It saved us during a highly important meeting. It helped us charge multiple devices and it kept our blogs alive. We'll put the link in the description. Now, back to the vlog!
Breakfast muna while waiting for our tour. We found a small cafe here beside the meeting point. We got our flat white. Yun lang talaga yung kinakape namin dito.
Flat white pa lang winner na. You don't need sugar para masatisfy yung craving mo sa coffee.
Banana bread.
Thank you.
Then we got the
Thank you.
sauce. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. So we got banana bread and ham and cheese croissant. And dalawang coffee. We paid $33.
Good morning from Melbourne, Australia!
Good morning mga chabibis!
So today, mag-clock tour kami. So saan tayo pupunta, Chab Eka?
We're going to the Puffing Belly train.
Excited!
And then, may mga iba pang stops, but yung ending nitong tour na to is the Penguin Parade at Phillip Island.
Ayun, so napanood namin na bawal siyang i-video. Pero super excited kami kasi yung mga penguins umaahon sa dagat.
Yeah, so super excited talaga kami for this tour. And late yung pick-up namin. Yun usually, di ba, yung mga pick-up ng tours maaga. Pero late to kasi nga, aabot siya ng gabi to see the Penguin Parade also. Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Turn on!
We're here, nasa
Puffing Belly.
ganda ng panahon, guys. So, we got our tickets. Binigay na nung tour guide namin.
12:25 departing.
So, we're here at the Puffing Belly Lakeside Visitor Center. Thank you. Thank you. Ticket. They punched a hole on the ticket. Excited ka?
Try ko umupo sa labas.
Sa labas?
Dito. Nakalabas yung legs.
Dito yon.
Saya.
Sama natin si Rhea. Say hi, Rhea.
Hi, Rhea. Our new friend from Negros.
Ayan, ang ganda nung ano.
kaming quick stop here at Anzac Beach.
Yeah, so dumaan kami ng bridge papunta ng Phillip Island, and then yung Wulamay kung saan kami magla-lunch mamaya, and then here. Grabe, nakakatakot ang mga waves, mga chabi.
Ayan, no? Ang lakas.
Oh, Diyos ko po.
So this is Phillip Island already. Pero quick, ano lang to, quick stop lang. So, balik na kami.
Yes, medyo mahangin.
Medyo mahangin.
Ang lamig.
Hey, tara na.
Tara na.
Kami sa isang fish and chip shop. We got the seafood platter and burger. We paid $49.
Dito na kami sa Penguin Center. Dito kami mag-aantay ng mga
Penguin. And expected arrival tonight is 6:40 p.m.
Yep.
So kagabi 6:49 sila umahon sa dagat. So ngayon mas maaga, 6:40.
Alright guys, now follow me. Follow me.
got our tickets from our tour guide.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Super excited. Nakupo kami.
Pero ang dami ng tao. Tapos medyo mahaba yung lakad papunta dito.
And bawal mag-photos and videos after sunset. Actually, marami kaming napanood na wala talagang photos and videos. Kumukuha lang sila ng stock videos. Kasi nga bawal talaga. Kasi lalo na may flash. Kasi pag nakita ng mga penguins na may flash, akala nila umaga. So baka mamaya, aahon na sila, bumalik sila sa dagat ulit. Totoo yun.
At saka they can get blinded by the flash. Kaya hindi ina-allow talaga. Ayan. So dyan sila lalabas, guys. Naantay namin. Yesterday, 900 plus. Pero sabi nung tour guide namin, that's just the first count. They could be 4,000, 5,000 penguins na lumabas. Mas maliit lang sila. Super excited kami. Since we're not allowed to take videos or photos of the penguin parade, penguins.org.au allows us to use photos and videos from their website to share on our social media accounts. So, dinner muna kami dito sa More Crown. Thai restaurant, isang tumbling lang from our hotel. Nagantay lang kami ng food. Tony ordered barbecue pork and crispy pork belly on rice. And I ordered green chicken curry on rice. Thank you. Thank you. Green curry chicken. Looks yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Barbecue and pork belly. Tapos yung sa akin, green curry plus drinks, we paid $48.
Good morning from Melbourne, Australia.
Good morning mga chibibis. Today, pupunta tayo sa isa pang outlet.
So, pang malakas ang gastos na naman to.
Ayun. Tapos, it's a chill day today kasi nga gabi na rin kami nakauwi kagabi from Phillip Island. So, outlet, and then we'll see if we can make it to the Victoria Gallery and mga museums tayo. Within CBD area lang tayo.
Yes, yan. Pinakaantay kong makapunta ng St. Paul, Cathedral.
Ayun. We'll see if we can do all of those things. Or baka ma-stuck kami sa shopping. Hindi talaga natin alam. But we'll try our best. So tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go! Tara na!
mahulog ka dyan.
Takot ako. Ganda dito mga chabibis. So we are in the South Wharf Promenade.
Saan tayo pupunta?
DFO outlet.
So we're going here to DFO South Wharf. Nice, huh? So we're here at the South Wharf Promenade. Ang ganda dito. May Ferris wheel. May mini golf. Ayan. May mini golf dito. So guys, naglalakad pa rin kami. Ang dami namin hinto.
Ang hirap ng maraming Instagrammable spots.
Dahil naming photos. So, hindi pa rin namin nahahanap yung actual na outlet. Pero doon kami papunta. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Dadalhin namin kayo doon.
Sobrang ganda dito mga chabibi.
Yep.
Buti na lang naka-layers ako. Diyos ko, ang lamig! Sa Sydney, nag-start na silang mag-summer. Samantalang dito ko, winter pa din. Spring, pero feels like winter.
True.
Maybe spring, part 1. Ang sabi nga nila. May part 2 pa to, antayin nyo.
So, we're here at DFO outlet. Dito kami mag-shopping. Oh, may magandang mura. Sabi nila naka-sale today, this weekend. For reference, yung mga puffer jacket nila dito sa Superdry, $149. May mga sweatshirt sila na $59. May mga shirts sila na $34.99. Mga graphic tees. This is Superdry. Meron din silang Platypus. Platypus is a shoe outlet shop. Shoe outlet. Ayan, sample ng mga Reebok shoes. This one is for $89. This is $79 na lang. They also have Nike. This one is $69.99. $59. $99. Pero meron ding Adidas dito. They even have Lacoste. $79. They also have Shoe Warehouse. Halo-halo din to na brands. So, sa ganitong store, dito kayo makakascore ng mura. Last chance, final pairs. Mga broken sizes. For example, this Puma, $89 na lang siya. This Adidas shoe, $99. May slippers din, Reebok, $40. This is $19.
Diba?
Ayan, so far safe pa kami, hindi pa kami nabubudol. Sige, ikot pa rin kami. Dito din sa Australia, mura ang Cotton On. So, let's check it out. Ito pa lang, may mga top for $5. May mga sweatshirts for $20. Ayan. $10 for mga iba pang top. Ayan. $15 for shirts. Ito din, $15 mga t-shirts. Like that. May mga vest sila na ganito, only $20. Tapos kahit yung mga jacket. Pwede nga kayo pumunta dito, walang dalang damit eh. So mag-shopping na lang kayo. Mga cardigans, $15 lang. In fairness, shirts. Ayan. So buy one, get the second one 50 off pa sila. And then silang mga button down shirts. Like this one, only for $20. Hey, this is not bad, huh? We're gonna eat here, para siyang Panda Express. So you can choose your ulam and then noodles or rice. Ayan, hati lang kami sa isang large kasi sobrang dami. So tipid meals kami today pero hindi mukhang tipid kasi sobrang dami, guys. So ayan, with the Coke Zero we paid
$23.
Kakain lang kami, guys. Guys, nabudol na kami.
Yes.
Pero ang masaya dito, iba yung price niya dun sa nakalagay. Naka-sale price na siya, ha? Naka-orange tag. Tapos pagdating sa counter, mas mababa pa.
Yes, may further reduction pa siya ng price. So, grabe, sobrang sulit. Kaya pala yung mga nakakasalubong namin, bulto-bulto yung binibili.
Ang dahing bags, ang dahing shopping bags na dala. So, sobrang happy budol dito.
Yes. Tara na, magbudol pa tayo.
Let's go! Hindi pa kami tapos.
Yes, simula pa lang to.
Sa Nike, this one is $70 minus 40%. This one is $120, tas minus 40 off. Ito yung Metcon, minus 40 off din, 140 siya. Gusto ko yung white yan. So ito, guys, $50 lang, additional 40 off pa. Okay, what a deal. This one, 70, tas additional 40. Kaya mura siya.
Oo, okay, ang dami pala.
Ang dami kasing ay, may hawak na kahon!
Yes.
Ano ba? Ano yan, ma'am? May isa pang kahon. For tonight's dinner, we decided to go sa Subway. So, nag-isang footlong lang kami. Naghati na kami. We got Philly style 3 cheesesteak and dalawang soda. That's $25. And we're hungry. We'll eat na. Kain lang kami. We hope you enjoyed watching this video because we had a great time making it.
If you like this video, you can follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!